up there. Oh, thank you. I got it. Yay. I've never had it.
Slutty, like this. Hot, slutty, like this. Hot, slutty, like this.
Okay, tag team back again. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Lee's Money Mansion in it. I've never had the hammer either. I want the hammer too. Come on. Worker, blue collar. Come on, blue collar. Come on, hats. Here they come. Here they come. Not two for nothing. Not two for nothing. This is my favorite machine. I cannot believe this machine is doing me like this. Go door. Go. Now where the hat's at there? Had to do some stuff, y'all. Ooh, got it. I'm just doing stuff, y'all. Got it. Got the hats. Damn. Struggle on getting the hats, honey. That's the thing. All right. Do right. Give me all matches. Re-triggers. Re-triggers. Come on, re-trigger. Re-trigger. No dead spins. Come on. Do it. Alright, I'm gonna let it go now, y'all. I done messed up the thing. Re-trigger. Come on. I need some mansions. Need some mansions. Some mansions. Come on. I need some mansions. Getting on my nerves. I need to get a mansion. Can I get a deed? I hear you can get deeds in the woods. I hear you can get deeds in the woods. Come on. Can I get a deed? Nope. I'm mad. No. Thank you. Let's go. Back up. Okay, I'm not gonna do it no more, y'all. I'm gonna let it. Come on, pop up. You little effer. You little effer. Pop up. You little effing effer. Come on, baby. Let's go. Baby. I'm on the wrong pigs, y'all. Evidently, y'all hear the other pigs. I hear the other pigs going on. Oh, right. All right. Now, okay. That's a new one. That is a new one. I've never seen that. I see the one running, and I see the howl. I've never seen the wind blow through. So hopefully, with the wind blow through, hopefully the wind gonna blow it in. Hopefully the wind's gonna blow it in. I like that sound. it sound like the magic wish, the magic witch. Come on. Oh shoot. Oh, okay. See, I ain't touched it, y'all. I ain't touched it. Oh yeah, that was a dud. That's dirty. So the wind just blew. I was gonna say the wind just blew for nothing. Like the wind just blew for nothing. Like do that again. Come right back across there. Cause that's the only way it's gonna help me. Look at her. The wind just blew for nothing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Woofy. Wind just blew for nothing. That's crazy though. But that was my first time ever seeing that feature. I just needed to get me the hats. I've been getting the hats, but they ain't doing what I want them to do, which is mansion. The good stuff is under the mansions. So this is crazy. I'ma leave after this, y'all, because I done fed this machine $100, well, 120 bucks. Thanks to that 20 that girl gave me, which is, I appreciate it. Come on, buddy. I need one good video out of you today. Come on. Let's go. Let's have the longest bonus ever. Let's have the longest bonus ever. I'm mad all that stuff was hit yesterday on here too. Maybe that's why it's acting a fool. Yeah, I need 6 of you, buddy. One of you is not gonna float my boat. You popping up with 1. I need 6. 1 don't float my boat, sir. Do it. Okay, dude. We need to reactivate all that for the people. Come on, we need to reactivate all that for the people. All that. The people need that. Okay? I'm not touching that screen no more. That right there is some shenanigans. Reactivate it for the... Come on. Do that. Stay up here. Stay up here one time. It's a big board, y'all. That's a big board. I like that. And we got the home improvement thing. Okay. Let's home improve. It's a little bigger. See? Keep on. I'll do it again. Dang. Come on, Hats. I need 3. It's my first time playing the semi-big board. Well, that's as big as this board I can get, so I think it's not like the more puff, even more. Come on, do it. Come on, Hats. Come on. No, they need to land. Come on, Hats. 3. Oh man, 3. I'm getting all the features. Boy, featuring. These features are featuring. Yes, they are. Now do that again. Right in the same area. 3 Hats. 3. Come on, I need a retrigger. Retrigger. Dang, I got one, y'all. Because it's better than the other ones. I don't think I've had a dang old mansion. I ain't had one mansion, and I think I only had 3 or 4 bonuses. So come on, Woofy. Come on, Woofy. Give it to me, Woofy. Give me that major. Reset it, Wilson. Reset it. Major. $15. $15. Okay, well, we back at it, y'all. We back at it, and I got the hammer feature. Yay! Finally. Okay, now all I gotta do is get the door and the gold. The door and the gold. The major. Just all up the middle. Take me up the middle. Come on. Go. Dang. Come on. Let's go. It was there and there. I guess it's on D time now. Well, I guess that's the only way I can get the door in the gold. Ready to open it. I'm gonna get my first grand today. I'm ready. Today we're getting our first grand, guys. Let's go. That thing gonna pop. Come on. Look at that. Look at the what we doing? A hat. I need a hat. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's some bullshit. I got every pig but a pig in a hat. Every pig but a pig in a hat. That's crazy. Every pig but a pig in a hat. Come on, Al. Al. Back, like, and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, guys.
So wait, it's like this.